Hello and welcome to today's video titled Selecting Celestial Components for Relocation Astrology, part of the series Canopus and Relocation Astrology. Without further ado, let's get started. Here is one of the core principles on which I base my practice of astrology as well as my research. As we will see, incorporating this principle into any spiritual practice is extremely beneficial. For instance, when applied to astrology, this principle translates as follows. The solar system teaches us about who we are. So let's learn from our solar system. You might be familiar with the Sun, the Moon, and the main planets from Mercury to Neptune, and perhaps also with the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. But did you know that a lot has happened since the early 2000s due to exploration of the solar system's outer regions? For example, Pluto was reclassified as a minor body because it didn't clear its orbit. In fact, several hundred Pluto-like minor bodies, known as Plutinos, share the same orbit. And in the same region, called the Kuiper Belt, lies thousands of other minor celestial bodies. And finally, in the most distant areas of the solar system, like the scattered disk and the Oort cloud, we've discovered a multitude of additional minor bodies, such as Sedna, Gong-Gong, and others. All in all, we're looking at over 10,000 new additions to the solar system, highlighted in yellow, red, blue, and gray in this graphic. Each point or circle represents one minor celestial body in our solar system. The good news is that the larger representatives of each new category, such as Aries for the scattered disk, Sedna for Sednoids, and Orcus for Plutinos, convey a deep astrological meaning. The bad news? They also convey a deep astrological meaning. Why is this both good news and bad news? The good news is that astrology now has access to the most hidden aspects of human nature, its spiritual side. The bad news is that the wealth of new celestial components cannot be integrated into standard astrological readings based on manual interpretation. In short, astrology needs to adapt to this data surge by incorporating data science. To illustrate this new approach of incorporating data science into astrology, we use the software Canopus, which can handle a large number of components in linear time. With Canopus, we carefully selected the major representatives from each region of the solar system. By doing so, we aim to respect the holistic nature of the human being and the wisdom as the universe, so the soul. Canopus therefore includes 123 celestial components, 92 from our solar system, and 31 stars. Let's break these numbers down. First, we include the Sun, the Moon, eclipses, and the 7 main planets. I will cover how to incorporate eclipses in a future video. If you're interested, feel free to leave a comment in the section below. Then we select 5 asteroids and 6 centaurs. Then components defined by the lunar orbit. Canopus also includes 48 minor bodies from the Kuiper Belt, 20 of which are Plutinos. The relative high number of Plutinos included is necessary to avoid them as much as possible. Finally, it is crucial to incorporate the main components of the scattered disk and the Oort cloud, as they symbolize the spiritual and most elevated aspects of human nature. Canopus also includes the galactic center and a variety of 30 major stars. And yes, the star Canopus is included. With a tenfold increase in celestial components compared to free relocation astrology software, I am pleased to say that the predictions in terms of life experiences have shifted from hit or miss to a high level of accuracy. Additionally, Canopus allows us to research the delineation of unknown celestial influences. For example, in an upcoming case study, I will show how a Canopus analysis helped uncover the influence of a particular Plutino, which current delineation is unknown. Currently, 7 Plutinos, 5 outer Kuiper belt objects, and 7 scattered disk objects are under investigation. I expect the list of components to grow organically. There are already 4 or 5 candidates for the next update, which will include user feedback. Please note that Canopus files do not contain the names of celestial components for several reasons, one of which is to protect ongoing research, though many of them can be guessed. However, the delineation of new components will be posted regularly on this channel, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated. Here is where you can find me. First, on YouTube for informative content. If you wish to book a consultation with me, please use the link to my Calendly page. And finally, if you want to visualize your astrological data produced by Canopus after a consultation, or have a sneak peek at what the software is capable of, go to canopus.shinyapps.io/canopusviz. Thank you for your time and attention. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you would like to learn about relocation astrology in the comment section below, and I will include all links to my services in the description. Until next time, bye-bye.